nice day.
It's not really another beautiful day. It's like one of the first beautiful days
after winter's ended.
So as you can see, today we have a problem that I knew was coming for some time. And
what is it?
Let me get back to the main menu. My OCD was kicking in.
Oh no.
Our brake pad warning light came on, which means that sensor has finally wore away to where I need to replace the brakes. I've known for about a year that I was getting close to needing brakes, and today is that day.
That doesn't sound like it's going to be terribly expensive.
It's not terribly expensive, so let's talk about the expense for a couple seconds.
All right.
Most people would say, I would never own a Porsche because they're so expensive to maintain.
That's true.
I would say, find yourself a good private mechanic who has worked on Porsches, like Mike.
Yeah.
And it's not that expensive. Let's detail this out. Granted, we have to go up to Mike's house because his shop is closed, so it's a little bit of a pain for us to drive that way. But we're driving in a Porsche, we're car guys.
Yep.
And it's fun for us, right?
So, it's fun.
So for new pads and rotors all the way around, $534.
Yep.
The reason why they're so expensive is because this specific model, the Cayenne GTS,
what's special about it?
It uses the same brakes as the 997 GT3.
All right, that's pretty cool.
So they're big brakes, they got more pistons,
okay,
and they're just more expensive, right? So that's $534.
Yep.
It's a 2.5 hour job.
So $300?
$300.
I don't think so. That would be at the Porsche dealer.
Can you imagine spending $300 on labor for that?
That would be crazy.
It's almost the price of the brakes themselves.
Yep.
So if you could find a good independent mechanic like Mike, who has worked for Porsche and Audi, clearly is well qualified to take care of my precious little baby. What is he charging?
It's $184.
So all in, we're gonna be, my math isn't so
like
good
$780. Or
yeah,
somewhere around there.
I think that's perfect. So I understand. I know I've put brakes on different cars myself, and it costs like $100.
Yep.
But this isn't any other car.
I think you need a computer to do it too.
I'm not really quite sure, but we'll find out. We'll take some video today, and we'll bring you through the process of changing brakes on at least a 2008. I can't talk at all.
No, you can't.
I'm just so excited.
Yeah.
Porsche Cayenne GTS. Stay tuned, folks.
We'll see you later.
Actually, if you want to just hold that.
All right.
You're really good at that, Ty.
I'm really good at holding these drills.
Step one. Take the sensor off of there. But you let Mike the wizard do it. No.
Oh.
We're good now. I'm doing it.
Yeah.
But that's what we say, is we let Mike the wizard do it.
Yeah, right. So. Yeah, don't show all the pounding.
All right, and then we just take this off. Slide it through this way.
Seems easy.
It is easy. We'll cut to when that's done. So you know how good we are at making maintenance videos, right?
Yeah, we're amazing.
We're pretty amazing. But basically, you got the two calipers in there. This bolt is thread through there, and this holds the calipers on. You pull the bolt out, take this off, pull the calipers out, put new calipers in, put this on, put this through, then you're donezo.
Sounds pretty easy.
It's super easy, especially when you got Mike.
Yep.
All right, so once you take the pads out, we have to get the rotor off.
Yep.
To get the rotor off, you have to loosen up these two bolts and take them out. There's one here, one up here. Be careful, especially on a Porsche, this is a hard wire. On a normal car, it's like a soft rubberized material that you can move around. So one person has to hold this kind of where it is so that you can snake the rotor off.
All right.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
All right, that's what we're gonna do.
Sounds good.
Easy. Bonus Friday. Not only did we change the brakes, but we're gonna do an oil change. So you have 3 belly pans, and of course you have to take all 3 of them off. Because why wouldn't you?
Because that's how it's gonna be.
So you gotta take off this long piece first. There's one in the middle and then one here. Take them all off. The filter is right here. So then you just change that like a regular car's oil. And then the drain plug for the oil is right there. Take this out,
more accessible.
drain it, change the filter, put them back in there, fill up the oil, good to go.
Perfect.
Again, if you have a mic,
Like him.
it's easy. So because I am not a mechanic, if you did what I told you to do, you would drain the transmission fluid. That's that plug. Here, up towards the front, is your oil drain plug. Again, why you need a mic.
Exactly why you need a mic.
So some oil change videos are super long. It's very simple. You pull this plug, you take out the filter. With this, you just pull the cover off, take the filter cartridge out, put a new one in, and reseal it. You want to use a new O-ring, put it all back together, fill up the oil, and you're good. That was the quickest oil change video ever.
It is.
That's what we
perfect.
do. At turn 5, that is what we do.
Yeah.
And you have a mic.
Mike.
Okay, as you put these back together, you have this pan that you put on first. There's a couple bolts. You'll know where they are. Then this one goes on.
And it slides in.
Slides
and then
in.
it has bolts too.
There. And then you put new bolts on. And then there's one more pan that you put bolts on. And you're done.
It's not too terribly hard.
Not at all with a mic. Today was a 2-for-1.
It was.
It was really a 3-for-1.
We got an oil change, brakes. What's the third?
A drive.
Oh. That makes sense.
Isn't that exciting?
Yeah.
So we don't do great tutorials.
No,
but
we
I
don't.
do think after doing brakes on other cars and then seeing and helping out with this one,
Yeah.
this is probably the easiest brake job you could do.
Yeah, this brake job, super easy.
The problem is if you
Corrosion.
screw something up or break it, it's really expensive.
And corrosion.
And corrosion.
Made it a little difficult.
I think it's super nice if you don't have to replace the rotors, you just pull out the or the pads and just put new ones in.
Yeah,
super easy. So I'm super happy with how Porsche has engineered the brakes on here. I'm extremely confident that anybody could change them.
I think so.
It's really helpful to have a lift
And a mic.
and a mic. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. It's hard to get content these days.
It is, especially with what's happening in the world.
Right. But the brakes work fantastic. They look good. They're big.
They are big brakes. I was thoroughly amazed with how large they are.
Oil change went well. Good for another 5,000 miles. Did we do anything else? Is that it?
I think that was it.
That was it. So as always, we thank you very much for tuning in. Maybe you learned something.
I hope you did.
Maybe you just now agree that we are the dumbest YouTube automotive channel
On YouTube.
on YouTube.
If you do think that we are, you should probably click the like button and subscribe.
And then comment on Hoovie's page and let them know that we are in fact
The dumbest.
the dumbest.
Let's hit them with an awkward 5 then.
There it is. Take care, you guys. Stay safe. Wash your hands. And we'll see you at the next video. Oh! Before we end, the cliffhanger. We're over 100 subscribers.
Oh, yeah.
Another awkward high five. We promised many videos ago, which none of you have probably seen.
Yeah.
But we are men to our words. True to our words. We don't talk well.
No,
We actually don't do many things well at all.
we're pretty bad at everything.
But we promised a drawing. So we are going to do a giveaway in the next video. That's what that one will be.
Yep.
How's that sound?
Sounds amazing to me, and I hope it sounds amazing to you.
All right, one more awkward high five.
This is getting awkward.
That was really awkward. All right, hit him with the ending before we do another awkward high five.
Make sure to click like again and subscribe again.
And we'll
See you next time.